a climber. See, if I let it climb, it would probably all this stuff we put more.
You're like a real beach organic mom. Really big deal. So how about this Pilates? Welcome to my vlog. I did not realize we were. Are you fully vlogging again? Yeah. YouTube and everything? Well, here's the thing.
Lord of it, your right hand is restored. With the word you created heaven and earth, it rests in your hands, and I'm humbled by your love for me. And your name could swallow the mountains.
Dad, say hi.
I brought pants too. Listen,
It's currently
McKenna, this is Caden's big trip out of town for Memorial Day weekend. We came to see you, so
Vacationing to Napoma.
I called Caden multiple times because I have a list for her that I have texted her,
Yeah.
and she hasn't done. Number one,
Basket.
Can I have some Advil too?
Yes.
Number one, take inventory of Nana's baskets and
I roughly did that.
You know what? You look tan. Number two.
I am tan. I am.
Well, you've been so albino that it's so nice to
Look
see.
at this. Walking.
It's nice to see you with
Look at
some
this.
color. Okay, number two. Get the amount from Annalise so that I can budget.
Oh, let me text her right now.
Number three. Get the window
I'm
guy.
getting stressed out by all of your.
Yeah, because I've said all these things and then I keep calling you to follow up. No answer, no answer, no answer. So I'm confused. Because what else are you possibly doing?
Vacation. Give it a cheese.
Go give him
I had a skin color on with the.
and I found out that I need is you.
Hi everyone. I don't know if I've even said hello in this whole video. I don't know what videos I've taken thus far. All I know is I haven't talked, and this was supposed to be maybe like a weekend with me, and all of a sudden it's Saturday night at 8 p.m. and this is the first time I'm talking. So hello to you all. If this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, understand this is a major rare occurrence that there is a second video so close to the one that I just posted. Mostly because if you watched my last video, you understand that I am en route to a new camera, possibly one day in Jesus' name. And that means that I have to be posting and making more videos so that I know myself that it actually is the camera that's holding me back, not necessarily my desire to make videos and content and film fun parts of my life for memories and all the jazz. So anyways, welcome back. Like I said, it's Saturday night and I just did a little fun activity that I've never done before. I saw this mom do it and I thought that it was so fun and creative and just like a new way to rewire my mind when it comes to lists, because me as a person, I'm pretty like I don't know if I consider myself type A, but I'm very like list driven, and it almost like bothers my mind so much when like my list or my schedule's off. So like that's like I guess part schedule person, part list person. I'm not quite sure. But it's essentially like a list of like twos that you're gonna do for the week ahead. So like for mine, it just said like to pray, to bake, to clean, to find, to give, to call, to read, to make. But it can be like anything, I'm assuming, that you want to do in the week. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like it's like a more intentional way of creating a list that's less restrictive. I'm not too quite sure. In my mind, this is like a fun activity for me. So I'm just going to read what I have. But to pray this week, I put Israel and Annalise because my bestie is going to Israel this Friday, and that's insane. And I am overwhelmed for her. That's going to be such an incredible experience. But I'm going to pray for that. To bake, I've been really wanting to bake banana bread, but I haven't had ripe enough bananas. And I also need to check my date supply because my mom found this bomb recipe. It's so good. And it's made with dates. To clean, closet. If you know me, you know my rage and borderline obsession, except not obsession in Jesus' name, for cleaning out my closet literally constantly. Another shout out to Depop. Follow me on Depop because I'm always cleaning out my closet and all that jazz. And it's like deadly now that I am on a new wave of like, ooh, more natural fibers, non-toxic. Don't come for me because I'm still gonna drink out of a plastic straw, but you know me. To find baskets because my sister wants to like line the aisle for her wedding with pretty like baskets that we're gonna fill flowers with. To give sourdough, Lord willing, honestly, this is like my first loaf that I made like this morning, and I already thought it was a doozy, so we made it. It turned out actually like probably the best I've ever done. So if you see that clip in the beginning, like know that that's not all the time. Like I've baked sourdough for probably 2 years, and this is the first time I was like, dang, that looks good. So Lord willing, I'll give sourdough to someone. To call my brother, another thing I'm not the best at is communicating, like literally in general. Like if I'm not face to face with you, it's pretty difficult for me to answer text messages or calls. So I need to work on that. To read Ephesians 5, I don't know, came to me. I'm also reading a book right now. I don't know if I love it, but I love Kristen Hanna. It's actually an audiobook because like the waitlist was way too long for like my library, so I just audiobooked it. Reading an audiobook is like, I don't know if I vibe with it, but let me know your guys' thoughts. And then to make this video. So those are my things, and that's my list. But anyways, I don't really know what else. I think I'm gonna take a bath right now because it's Saturday night, and that just sounds so fun. And then Sunday, I really have no major huge plans. Yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Also, it's foggy outside, and there's an unmatched feeling when you can see the fog like rolling over the hills, and like I crack my window open and it's like crisp air that comes in. It's such an elite experience. It is the most amazing thing. I'll never take it for granted ever in my life. But anyways, this was just about 6 minutes of me talking, so welcome to my video, and this might be the end as well. So anyways,
Jesus, King of glory.
hi everyone. I don't know if the camera's so crooked, so don't let me know because it'll be too late. It is Sunday. It is 2:44 currently, and I just pulled up to the Target parking lot. I ended up going to lunch with Nana today, and we ran errands afterwards, and it was fabulous. But I decided I'm gonna do a couple more things today so that I don't have to do them tomorrow. So one of them is going to Target, and then I'm gonna go to this other grocery store that's like at the bottom of the hill that we live on. And then I'm like really hoping that I remembered all the ingredients and looking forward to baking banana bread this afternoon, which is gonna be crazy, and I'm so excited for it. Either that or I'm getting chocolate chips anyway, so I could always make like a different type of cookie. But come with me to also, I do have an Izzy because I'm working on kind of like my Starbucks phase right now. It's like I had to have a heart-to-heart with myself, mostly with my bank account. So anyways, this is the only to-go cup that we had, which I'm kind of eating it up. And I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee, so like I never have like a hot drink looking thing. So like I'm feeling major adult vibes. So anyways, going into Target and I will catch you on the flip.
And behind it before Father, Lord of heaven, your right hand he then restored. If I take the